How to fix lock profile not showing on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock your profile if the option is not available. So once you are on your Facebook, just make sure to update it and update the app to the latest version and just come to your profile. Now, if I come to my profile and tap on the three dots, I don't have any option to lock profile. So for that, you can first go to your settings menu, and what you want to do is scroll down until you see audience and visibility. And from here, you want to go to followers and public content. And here by default, it will be set to public. So you just want to go ahead and change the um, change the visibility. So just go back here and go to audience and visibility settings first. Then you can choose to friends and click on next and confirm the settings. So audience is now updated. Now only your friends can view your content. So after you do that, just go ahead to followers and public and make sure to select all of these to friends and friends, or only me. You can do this. And after you do the following settings to all of those, just go to profile and tagging and make sure you do the same on here as well, and turn on the reviewing as well. After you do that, just come back and see if your professional mode is on or not. Because if your professional mode is turned on, you will not be able to lock your profile. So just go ahead and turn off your professional mode. Click on continue and tap on turn off. Now it will turn off your professional mode and close this. Now if you refresh, you should see an option to lock your profile right here. And that's how you can fix your lock profile not showing. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.